Welcome to the Queen's Court. Hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. I have a very small Dollar Tree haul for you, okay? So, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Alright, so today I have just a small haul from Dollar Tree, y'all. I've been sick, so I do apologize for not being on. Like I promised, I was bad. But anyway, I finally found on my wish list the vanilla cream brulee. Okay. Found it on my wish list, okay, from Harry and David. Alright, got that. And it's like a 4-cup, 4 K-cups. I really want to try these because somebody said these were really good that hauled them. Okay, and I also got the breakfast blend. Okay, so yeah, I'm really excited to try that. Okay, and from the $5 spot, the plus spot from Dollar Tree, I got this here. I got me another one of these. I really love them. Keeps your coffee very hot, and I like it. Okay, so yeah, there you have it. I like that. It keeps it very hot or light. I make my coffee like in the morning before I leave, like at 7:30, and it's still warm like at maybe 10:30, 11. Okay, so and this is like 20 ounces, but I only do up to here, with my coffee and all. Also, I found these cute little bags. They had the square one and they had the round one like that. Very easy to open. I thought that was so nice. So I got me one of these. Okay, I got one of these, and I think that is really cute with the little ball. You can fill these up for Valentine's Day. You can put your makeup in them. Put cute little trinkets in here, candy, if you want to. If you want to give it to somebody with some makeup or something like that there, okay? So, I thought that was very cute. I gotta get these thumbnails, y'all. How y'all doing? Y'all doing okay? I hope so. I'm doing better. Thank God. I tell you. Boy, this stuff that's going around ain't no joke. I got the sunglass cases, y'all. Oh, this is kind of cute. I was looking for the other ones. But you can put your sunglasses in here, your glasses. And, yeah. They have them in different colors, pastel colors. Okay. I thought that was cute. Yeah. Nice and roomy. Like if you have big sunglasses. Right? Nice and roomy. And they have a little dent right there where you can, put your glasses in. Yep. Very nice. I also got this here nail polish holder. I've had my eyes on this for a while. And I just never picked it up. So, yeah. That there, you put it like in between your nails like that. And put the nail polish bottle in there. And, yeah. Whichever hand you're working on. Working on this hand. Polish your nails. Oh, polish your nails. It's cute. Also got me some cotton balls. Okay, got me some cotton balls. I use these for some of everything. Yeah, and I like the cotton balls. They're nice and thick. Never had a problem with them. Nice size to do your nails with, to take your fingernail polish off with. Okay, I thought it was nice. I liked it. Excuse me, y'all. I still have this cough. But I also picked up these nail decals. I have been looking for these for the longest. I think they are so cute. This was on my wish list as well. So, yes, okay. You only get one pack, but that's cute. That's nice. I like them. Look at the designs, y'all. Really, really nice. Okay. Really nice. These are nail decals. It's 24. Got 24 of them. You got like the face and the, yeah. You see the little designs. But they're also still in the plastic as well. It's so cute. And I also picked up this body wash. It's watermelon and mint. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Ooh, it smells just like watermelon. I don't smell mint too much, but I smell the watermelon. I love the scent of watermelon, and I love watermelon. But it's a big old ounce here. 16 full ounces. 16 full ounces. Yes, I love it. Yes, y'all, and it smells so good. Yes. And if I run into any more of these, I'm going to get me some more because I really, really like that. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. Yes, it smells good. It was sealed, but when I got it home, I smelled it. Yes, it smells good. And I like Bolero. A lot of people don't, but I do. Okay. And I've also got these glass stickers. Because I do my, I want to try it and see. Because I do these on my Libby glasses. So I wanted to see how Dollar Tree, these were the only 2 designs that they had. I got 2 of these. I got 2 of those. Like with the sea cows and stuff like that. And I got the flamingo with the watermelon and pineapples. I got 2 of those. Okay, so I got 4 of those and all. Y'all, please. I know I've been MIA, missing in action. It's a lot going on over here, so keep me and my family in prayer. It's just been sick after sick. One gets sick, the other one gets sick. I'm buying that. But anyway, y'all, like I say, remember, like I say, it's always nice to be nice. And love up on somebody. Because you never know what people are going through in the through their day. You never know what people are going through in their life. Be kind. Be respectful. And just love up on people. Because we're in end time, y'all. And Jesus is soon to come. I want to be ready. And I want other people to be ready as well. So, please, just love up on one another. And know that God is God. And besides Him, there is no other. There is no other. God is God. And He's going to be God. Forever and ever. Y'all, I thank y'all for tuning in for my little small haul. So, again, remember, like I say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you. Until I see you on the next video. God bless you. I love you all. Bye-bye.